As you'll already be aware, washing is a vital stage of any level of car detail. To achieve an excellent clean, you need to hand wash your chosen cleaning solution into all areas of the vehicle to release all the dirt and grime accumulated. While amateur enthusiasts might use a sponge, you'll need to wear something like a specially designed mitt if you're serious about deep cleaning your car during the washing process. But what if you don't like wearing a mitt? What if you want to benefit from greater control over your hand motions while washing your car? That was the question posed to Microfiber Madness, who developed their Incredipad and Incredipad XL in response to growing customer demand for a car washing aid that you didn't have to wear. These German-made pads are an ideal solution for washing your car. Made of 92% polyester and 8% viscose, this car washing aid comprises a spongy inner layer coated with a gentle microfiber outer layer that allows for smooth, ergonomic cleaning action. The regular size Incredipad is smaller than many mitts and competing pads and perfectly fits most hands, giving you far greater control in those hard-to-reach and tricky places to clean. There are several reasons to choose the Incredipad over other similar products, including wash mitts. We've already mentioned the perfect sizing of the standard size pad, giving you total control and allowing you to cover every nook and cranny with great ease by scrunching it up with your fingers if you need to in places. Secondly, the unique material on the outer allows the pad to glide over your car in a way that no other mitt or pad yet matches. There's no need to worry about creating swirls or other similar patterns, as this pad effortlessly skims across the surface of your paintwork. We've also found through using this pad that the sponge picks up and disposes of dirt better than many others out there. The super absorbent sponge picks up your car wash solution, distributes it evenly over the car's surface, and deposits the accumulated dirt quickly and effectively into your rinse bucket. There is only one real drawback: the multicolored nature of the outer layer, which can make it tricky to tell how much dirt and grime you're removing. But the results at the end of your washing process will speak for themselves. Finally, we've found the build quality of these pads to be second to none. They are every inch what you'd expect of a German-engineered product, often lasting us years before needing replacement. You can wash them in the washing machine, dry them in the dryer without any issues, and they come with a handy zipped bag for dust-free storage. If you're not a fan of mitts when car washing, then the Incredipad is an excellent solution for you. At MD Detailing, we sell both versions of the Microfiber Madness Incredipad. We would recommend grabbing one of each if you have a larger vehicle or have a lot of cars that you detail, so you can benefit from the best of both worlds. When you factor in the quality of performance and longevity of these products, we think the price represents incredible value for money. If you want to grab yours and give them a go, you can buy them at mddetailing.co.uk/shop. You can also browse the rest of our extensive car detailing inventory in our online shop and benefit from free shipping on all orders totaling more than £50. Lastly, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter to be notified of all our product releases and reviews. You'll also receive 10% off your first order upon completion of your sign-up. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to hear more from us, click subscribe.